how to start an Amazon business as a teenager or how to start one for your kids. So first and foremost, to sell on Amazon, to have an account, you need a bank account and you need to register. So you have to be 18 years of age. That doesn't mean if you're 17 or 16 that you cannot start a business. And that doesn't mean if you're a parent and you want to start one up for your kids that you cannot do that either, right? So first and foremost, teenagers, if you're under the age of 18 and you want to get started, all you need is your parents' consent so you can create the account and create your bank account. If they're on board, you get them to do that and you're up and running and off to the races. Now, if you're a parent and you want to make an investment for your kids or you want to create an Amazon business for your kids, all you want to do is create an LLC, right? Make them a partner, have them be a part of the company, and then actually create the account in that LLC or that S Corp or whatever type of entity you're creating. And then you want to manage it and it's technically in their name, right? And you can control this with a lawyer or with your CPA or by yourself. If you go to the Secretary of State or wherever you're going to create and form that entity, you can go ahead and do that. Now what you're doing is you're building an asset for your kids. You have your asset as a part of that business. Now, take it a step further, this is a huge hack. If you're starting a business and you're making your kid a partner and you're going to potentially give this business to them or move yourself out of it once they're of age of 18 or over, what I recommend is you start building a business credit line under that business's name. So go get a business credit card and you want to ask the financial institution, whether it's Visa or MasterCard or American Express or whatever it is, you want to ask them what the minimum age limit is for adding kids that are minors, right? Some of them you have to be 16 years old or 15 or 18. Some of them you can be a newborn and you can put them on there. So what you're doing is you're actually building a business, you're building credit age, which is very important to lines of credit and getting loans. And number 3, you're building their credit. One of the biggest impactful scores to your credit is actually credit age. So if you start the business into 3 and the business is 15 years, guess what? 15 years, when they turn 18, you pass the business over, they start working in the business and they start running the business. They're gonna have 15 years of credit history. Their business is gonna be 15 years old and they're actually gonna have a 15-year line of credit that they can tap into, which is really huge. This is what I do for both my kids. Hopefully that you get some game that you can use this as well. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.